What's going on,
Hey,
bro?
what's happening? What's happening was good. Hey, have you heard the rumors?
What were rumors?
Yeah, listen. You know who Jasmine Jordan is?
Michael Jordan's daughter?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hey, so Jordan Brand just partnered with the WNBA, dude, and she's the youngest. A lot of people don't know it. MJ
Yeah.
and his only girl. Hey, dude, she about to take over because she went to Syracuse. A lot of people don't know that she studied sports management. And
Okay.
y'all hearing this first from the Sneakerhead Bros.
Yes,
Take
sir.
over. Trust and believe that, and that's for sure.
So if you don't know, Jordan Brand has signed 11 WNBA players, and also for the first time in history, the Jordan Man logo will appear on the WNBA jerseys tomorrow, starting on with the NBA All-Star Weekend, July 15th, which is
Hey,
tomorrow.
listen. Hey, who did they hear it from first?
Sneakerhead Bros.
Trust and believe. We gonna bring you the realest. Everybody else giving you the same video, they flipping it. But if you want some true content, hey, give this video what? A thumbs up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hey, Jasmine Jordan is taking over. And you heard it first from where?
Sneakerhead Bros.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hey, bro, it's a takeover. And if you like content like this, check out this video right here.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.